Materials. Today we are going to talk about materials. This is important because everything around us is made of materials. A material is what we use to make objects, tools, and buildings. Materials come from nature or from factories. Natural materials come from plants, animals, or the earth. Wood comes from trees. Cotton comes from a plant, and we use it to make fabric. Metal comes from minerals inside the earth. Glass comes from sand. Man-made materials are made by people in factories. Plastic is a man-made material. It comes from petroleum or oil. A sustainable material is friendly to the planet. A renewable material can grow again, so it does not run out. Wood is renewable because we can plant new trees. A finite material can run out one day. Metals and petroleum are finite materials. Plastic is not sustainable because it takes hundreds of years to disappear. We can recycle glass, paper, and metal to protect the planet. We use wood to make furniture, like tables and chairs. We use metal to make keys, cars, and machines. We use glass to make windows and bottles. We use plastic to make bags, toys, and containers. We use fabric to make clothes and paper to make books. Every material needs the correct tool. We use a saw to cut wood. We use a hammer and nails to join pieces of wood. We use sandpaper to make the wood smooth. We use pliers to bend metal wire. We use a drill to make holes and a screwdriver to put in screws. We use scissors to cut paper and fabric. In a factory, machines melt plastic and glass, and a mold gives them their shape. Now you know the origin of materials, their uses, and their tools. Remember, choose sustainable materials and recycle to protect our planet. In our next class, we will practice describing objects and their materials.